Introducing the Evolution cordless surface conditioning tool. Built for surface preparation, rust removal, and finishing work. Fit the battery and get straight to work. Supplied with a 280 grit finishing drum. Perfect for cleaning, blending, and refining surfaces. When more aggressive material removal is required, switch to the supplied P60 stripping drum. Changing drums is quick and simple, giving you the flexibility to tackle both finishing and preparation work. The independently adjustable guard and front handle can be positioned separately, giving you greater comfort and greater control. Variable speed adjustment lets you match the tool to the material and the finish you're looking to achieve. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor, it delivers smooth and consistent results. Master your metalworking with Evolution's cordless surface conditioner.